Now 1.2. 1.2 means first chapter, second only. First 13 mantras are general observation of the student, Shishya Stuti, Guru Stuti, Vidya Stuti. So glory of Vedantic student is mentioned by Shreyas and Preyas. I had asked this question also about Shreyas and Preyas. In short, Shreyas is the one where you, Preyas is the one in which you have it is the name of a conviction. Don't think somebody is living in palace, so he is a worldly person. Don't have such concepts, please. This is very superficial kind of, somebody lives in ashram, so he is having prayer, he Shreyas. Or somebody is in the palace and he is having this prayers. Don't look down upon such thing. This is all wrong notion. So the conviction that situation can give me ultimate joy is prayers. The conviction that situation cannot give me, any situation cannot give me, even Brahmalok cannot give me. Brahma bhuna loka punaravartino Arjuna. That is called the Shreyas. So Shreya adadanasya sadhur bhavati hiyete arthat yau preso vranite. So one who chooses, and remember one thing, at every moment these two are there. Right now you are sitting, your choice is to concentrate or not. बड़ा अजीब सा मामला है, बड़ा जबरदस्त गड़बड़ कर दिया भगवान ने. Your choice is whether you can see me and concentrate or you can do some hallucination. You can see me and imagine something else also. Food has come, you have a choice whether to eat or eat more or less. Okay, somebody is there, you can see as a mother or you can see with the eyes of a kami also. Same person is there. You have all the choice. Okay, somebody gave you money, you have the choice whether you want to go and eat something or you think, okay, let me, some part of my bonus, let me donate it. Khub, everywhere. So, Shreyascha Pedascha Manushcha Meta. It's not that you can't say I did not get any chance. Come on, every moment there is a chance. You don't say like that. So Shishya Stuti is done because he said, Twadring no bhuyan nachiketa prishta. Yamaraj had given a compliment, let students like you come to me. Imagine that compliment. And he said, when I was like you, even knowing also, I had chosen this Yampad, so you are better than me. What a confession. What a confession. He was very humble. One thing you have to say, sometime washing the feet, sometime doing this. So his lessons of humility is there in Yam Dharmaraja's character. So this is Shishya Stuti. Shishya Stuti is clear now. Who has 3D? One, he has discrimination. Then he has dispassion. Third, he has discipline. Fourth, he has desire. 4D. Well, 4D? Now 4D also have come. Earlier 3D was there. 4Ds are also there nowadays. So discrimination, dispassion. Discrimination means vivek. Dispassion means vairag. Discipline means shat sampatti. And desire for moksha means mumuksha. So Yamraj, this Nachiketa was well equipped. Now have a big flight. Achha, this is Shishya Stuti. Time nahi hamare paas. So then the Guru Stuti was done, but Shishya Stuti was done earlier. Okay, the Guru Stuti. So what was the Guru Stuti? Two things he should have. One is Shrotriyatvam, other is Brahmanishtatvam. What is Shrotriyatvam? Well read and well informed how to communicate the uncommunicatable ideas. What is beyond the words, how to put words in that. Tremendous capacity to communicate and coming down at the level of the disciple. He has Drishta Drishya Vivek, Panch Bhut Vivek, Panch Kosh Vivek, Mahavakya Vivek. So he can, don't say Vivek. It is not Vivek. So it is Vivek. He has tremendous capacity to do that, Vivek. Okay. Okay. So this is Shrotriyatvam is there. Don't, all these things don't, you please don't use. Well, just I'm thinking, I'm reading Rahan Marshi, who am I? Who am I? अरे यार, who am I? कहाँ से भी सब पता चलेगा? Who am I? Who am I? What is the end result of who am I? और साइलेंस. बोले गुरु महाराज साइलेंस में, ही प्रीचेज इन साइलेंस. क्या है यार? You go to some guru, he is in silence. He is a great person, but I don't understand what his silence means. Is he upset? What he means? These all things are not as per scriptures. Silence is after you have gone through the knowledge, then you abide in that silence. That comes after the knowledge. But you should know what is the self, what is Jagat, what is Jeev, what is Ishwar, what is Karma, what is Bhakti, what is Gyan, what is Shastra. कुछ जानने पाने हैं नहीं. Silence. In silence they will sleep. और क्या करेंगे silence में इन लोग? If Guru बोले silence रहो भाई, I am not communicating. He silence, he means what? I can speculate 10 things about the silence. It is not a speculative knowledge. बोले बस meditate on what? Okay, I have my meditation, my mind is quiet now. But what is Jagat? What is world? How long? What is the one which I was seeing in meditation? What is the Atma? And therefore, Shrotriyatvam word is used. Brahmanishtatvam is not the qualification of a teacher, because if he has not gone through procedural studies, then he will never be a communicator. Because through going through scriptures, one gets all the knacks, how to communicate that. Therefore, you are great saints, like Nisargadatta Maharaj was there. Great saint, Brahmanist, but not great teachers. Because they had not gone through the parampara, so they were not communicators like that. Great saint, by their presence the earth is sanctified, I will say. But as for creating students, the students will not be that satisfied, because this you need Shrotriyatvam. And Brahmanishtatvam means one should not be teaching about Brahman, one should be Brahman. There's a difference between when you teach physics and chemistry. Supposing you are teaching about carbon dioxide or hydrochloric acid, you need not become hydrochloric acid. Or well, he has become hydrochloric acid and evaporated. It's not like that. He need not that. One person went to doctor. He said, doctor, what happened? So he said, in my ears, I hear calls, phone calls. Doctor said, don't reply. So he did not do something. So, but when you're teaching about Brahman, you should be Brahman. Therefore, Ananya Prokte Gatiratra Nasti. The Ananya Guru is required. It is not an objective science. What object you are teaching is the subject itself. This is called which stuti? Guru stuti. This is what makes the teacher rare also. Ascharyo Vakta Kushalosya Labdha. Wonder is that some teacher is there. Some say, why can't we teach Vedanta in the universities? Where is the teacher? You create teacher, you bring one teacher. They can take value classes, but to get Vedantic teacher is very difficult. And Prokta, it has to be said. He cannot hear it. He cannot understand by himself. It has to be communicated. Knowledge should go through a process of communication. Suno usko tum achhe se. There is no knowledge which does not need words from the teacher, whether it is a school knowledge. Even A was taught. Mother did not write A and ran away. She told this is called A. Listen, कान खोल के सुन लो तुम. So this is called A. This is called B. All knowledge happen by communication through words. Okay, I'm just summarizing. This was Guru Stuti. Third was Vidya Stuti. Glorification of Vidya. What is the meaning of Vidya Stuti? Vidya Stuti is, it is not available for conventional means of knowledge. Pratyaksh Praman, Anuman Praman, etc. It is apaurushaya. It is not the knowledge which is made by anybody. It is not the knowledge which anybody has brought out in his inspirational mood. It is because all knowledge is refutable. Sometimes penicillin was very good. Now they found defect in penicillin. Sometimes this medicine is best, but this fine. No, this medicine is not very good. Better than this is this medicine. Same medicine, Orthogard I was taking, and now you told that Dr. Dasi said there's a better medicine has come up. I have not got that. So if that is there, we can take. So a new medicine has come up now. Well, this medicine has this particular side effect, Orthogard. It has little fishy kind of smell is there in Orthogard. Really? So sometimes after taking, I have felt nausea. Therefore, I stopped taking after breakfast. The moment I took breakfast, many times I had to throw. उसका एक वो है उसका. So now they find some other medicine for that. Okay, to substitute is there. So tomorrow, this is changeable, modifiable. But this is not the new edition of Vedas had come. There was conference going on, Brahmachari conference, 2002. So this is what happens when you are a student who have studied from Durban, especially those who are Brahmachari. One Swamiji said, I won't take his name, he said, Vedas have become very old. Swamiji, Vedas have become very old, that also needs editing now. So we should bring in some Gurudev's words here and there in the Vedas and put something like that. So when I heard, I got a shock. I was Brahmachari only. I said, kaise bol sakte hain? Tomorrow somebody else will say something. Vedas have three qualities, especially the students who will say. It has Anupurvi, it has Uddat and Anuddat. Anupurvi means before and after cannot be changed. It is fixed sequence is there. It has been heard in the sequence, in the same sequence it will be there. Second is Uddat, Anuddat. Third? No, Chand is not there. It has Anupurvi. No, that is a Praman. It has Anupurvi, it has Uddat and Anuddat. And third? No, it is Aparushya bhai. It is not made by any human being. कुछ आप उसमें ऐड नहीं कर सकते हैं. It is not a prescription of a doctor. ये दवाई भी ले लो उसमें रख लो. But when anybody you don't know, you have not gone through Praman, etc., then you become, you be like that. So from a personality of a person you can know whether he has gone through a good teacher or he has not gone through a good teacher. You can make it out that who was his teacher and whether teacher did not teach properly or he was not a good student. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है कहीं पे, कोई missing link है इसके. And if such people come to teach, they create confusion after that. Okay. So, Vidya Stuti Aparushya. No knowledge is Aparushya other than this knowledge. So, this was the first to 13 mantra. Now, whole Upanishad should be dancing in front of you. 14th mantra was the question, Anyatra Dharmad, Anyatra Dharmad, etc. A brilliant way to put the 20th mantra in the another words, rephrasing, but more clarity. I had given one classes on that. 1.1, 1.2.14 and 1.1.20. 1.1.20 and 1.2.14 are same. Okay, so this was Vidya Prashansa. So Guru Shastra Upadesh Shravanam. So these three things are there. Then third boon was again reiterated in the 14th. Now 15th to 17th verses are Onkar Upasana. That was an incidental diversion for preparing the mind. I had asked a question about Onkar also in your test. Onkar Upasana. So Onkar Upasana, 3 questions. First Yamraj complimented. He said the same essence whole Upanishad is Sarve Vedayat Padamamanante. So that all Vedas are talking about only one only. That is called Onkar Upasana. It can Aparabrahma, it can take you Aparabrahma and it can take you Parabrahma. So Aparchet Praptavyam, Paramchet Gyatavyam. So Aparabrahma and Parabrahma, you have heard. So Ishwar, Virat, Hiranyagarbha, they are Aparabrahma and Parabrahma which is beyond these three. So this topic was 15th to 17th verse. 18th to 25th verse is the central teaching. First time about the self is mentioned in the Kathopanishad. First central teaching. Quickly I will recap the whole thing. Around 6 features of Atma was mentioned. Atma was Nirvikaratva. It is consciousness, but it is Nirvikar. Second, it is Akarta Abhokta. Third, it is Sarvadhishthan or all-pervasiveness or substratum of all. Third. Fourth, Durvigyatvam, incomprehensible. Fifth, it is known in the cavity of the heart. 5 हो गए. 5. Sixth, it is Sopadhik and Nirupadhik both. Both is there. And last is Desh Kala Titatvam. How? Yasya Brahma cha Kshatram cha Ubhe Bhavata Odana. Yamraj is there. You remember that? The Brahman and Kshatri are the rice balls. And Mrityu is the side dish. Pickle. Who can know me? Other than that, who can know that? So this concludes the second Valli. Clear? 1st to 13, 14th, 15, 16, 17 Onkar. Then 18 to 25th is the main theme of the Upanishads. So real core Upanishad has started. Kathopanishad now has taken a turn for real knowledge. An answer is now being given. This was first chapter, third Valli. Sorry, second Valli. Now first chapter, third Valli. What is the first chapter, third Valli? So which are the important shlokas in this to be by hearted? First, second, 14th and 19, 20 you can by heart. I have already, while going through, I had mentioned these are the shlokas. Those students, especially those who have love for Upanishad and those who have love for knowledge, they should be by hearting it because it will make your contemplation easier. See, if I don't know, I cannot think of the summary also. You should know the verses. Okay, this is your tapasya. Especially those who are Brahmachari Swamis, they should be more serious because they have given their life only for this purpose. क्या करें दिन भर बैठ के? What will you do? कुछ तो करो यार. So third Valli starts with the introduction mantras that all jivas are mentioned as travelers in life. Ritam pibantau sukritasya loke guham pravishtau parame parardhe. So there are two. So Jivatma is the one. Okay. So Ritam pibantau, both means one is Jivatma, that is Paramatma. So these are two mantras. Now third to ninth mantra is the imagery of chariot, not imaginary. I am saying imagery. Somebody wrote imaginary. Imaginary means comparison. Something is compared. That is called, this, somebody was doing this adhishthan, adhyas is there. Somebody was doing proofreading. He didn't know adhyas word. He cut it and made abhyas. So sometimes when we don't know a word, so we think it is wrongly said. By mistake he said. It is adhyas. He cut everywhere and put abhyas. So that is not the way. It is adhyas only. So this chariot has, remember, so important disciplines mentioned in this chariot. The body, I had taken a lot of time. If you see your notes, especially those who have made good notes, some of your notes are very good. Some of you have made very good notes. Those of you have made good notes, that will be very good for your lifetime also. Okay, and if you have not made notes, then it's Hari Om. It's up to you. Time is over. So body is compared to chariot because body is an instrument. The instrument should be kept fit. You can't afford to be sick. You can't afford to be. Body should be made fine. There is no option. Arogyam. Body should not be misfit, unfit. And if you don't use the properly, the instrument gets bad. It is difficult to maintain a disturbed body, a body which is not already. I destroyed my body by my wrong sleeping hours, wrong time of sleep, wrong eating, wrong postures. When this body is not right, difficult to get back the original body. So body has to be met properly. Therefore, keep your body very fit. Your back, your leg, long sitting capacity should be there. Do some yoga. We had our yoga teacher also. Yoga teacher Neelam was coming. I don't know where is she now. She's here. So maybe sometimes we can call her once or twice a week. I come. Keep your body. Walk every day. Do some general exercise. Keep yourself healthy. Eat properly. Eat on time. Eat healthy. Body has to be fit. Otherwise you cannot invest long hours of sitting. This is one Upanishad. There are more serious Upanishads. Ticklish Upanishad with ticklish commentaries. It's a simple Upanishad we took. Even Ishavas I find ticklish sometimes. This Purnamada itself is a difficult mantra. Amritsar, I thought immediately bol diya, Swami, 5 दिन Purnamada, take Ishavas. Ishavas in 5 days. क्या बोले? ठीक है भाई. क्या करेंगे? We'll see later on. So body should be very well ready. You cannot serve anybody. Day, night, to do puja, body is required. To do jap, sitting jap, body is required. To do havan, body is required. To do सेवा of somebody, body is required. खुद ही इल है तो इनकी तो कोई और देखने के लिए चाहिए. To run around, you need body. To distribute flyers, you need body. Everywhere first is. Therefore, Yaksh, Mahabharata, the story you must have heard. And when all 4 Pandavas, after they wanted to drink water, so one Yaksh was there, sitting on the tree. He said, "Stop!" But they were so thirsty, they didn't stop. So all Pandavas fainted. Yudhishthir could control. And the first question I think was, what is the biggest joy in this world? Yudhishthir said, Arogyam, to have a painless body. Body, it is difficult to maintain the lost health. More difficult, more time taking, and more expensive to get back the lost health rather than maintaining the existing health. Those who don't have, they understand that. Sometimes she is saying, I can't write. Hands are jammed. Fingers don't move. Okay, so especially the girls, keep yourself, take tablet, etc. Osteoporosis should not be there. Take calcium. Don't take too much of calcium. So, then another problem would be there. Sometimes they have stones also, too much calcium they took. Too pure form they took calcium, we should see from the doctor. Although doctor only told you. So second point is that sense organ should be very tame. Horses were sense organ. Well directed, aimful sense organ, not aimless sense organ. Sense organ should be goal oriented. I should not see everywhere. Who is there? No need to hear everything. No need to see everything. Anybody's book is lying down on the dining table, you start opening. Some people have a very bad habit. They don't ask also anybody. That's not good habit. Any site started seeing, any website, any YouTube channel started seeing. All these are bad habits. Or seeing every time seeing the profile of other person in WhatsApp, what photograph he has put. Some people send me the profile of another person. And they send me, you put this photograph on your web. Mine is no photograph. हमारे में कोई photograph. So बोलिए profile सबका देखेंगे profile unnecessarily. So that is untamed sense organs. That means dhamma is missing. So arogyam, second quality is dhamma. Third, mind. Oh my God, ये तो सबसे तकलीफ वाला एरिया माइंड ही का है. Mind is more difficult. Shama is required in the mind, not Shama. It is Shama. Well, Dhamma and Shama. You require lot of Dhamma and lot of Shama. Because Dhamma is a disease. It is asthma. If you search, either you say in Hindi Dhamma or you say in Sanskrit Dhamma. Dhamma is required. Try to train your mind to say properly. So that is there. So Shama means what? What is the meaning of quietness of mind? Mind is receiver. It is emptied. It has no issues lingering. When attachment is there, attachment, ahankar are issue magnifier. It magnifies the matter. If you have ahankar, a small matter will blow up in your mind. If attachment is there, it will blow up in your mind. So better to keep your mind not available for unnecessary matters, because the knowledge here is an important knowledge. It needs, in class also you need attention to hear it. Sometimes you miss to hear certain words, certain sentence, then you see other person. Sometimes because mind is not there, I am not having my mind. So this was the Shamaha. Then after that comes Viveka. Viveka, buddhim tu sarthim viddhi. You remember it was said he should be well informed. What is goal of life? What is karma yoga? What is my weaknesses? What is my strength? Why I am behaving like that? Why my mind is moody today? Why I am feeling lazy today? Have I not slept of all? Why? What is the problem with my mind? Why I am so angry today? Why I am so passionate today? What went wrong? What is the system? What is the goal? What I should attain? How to control mind? How jap can help? Which sadhana is for what? Where is puja helping? Where puja does not help? Where meditation is required? Today, how to deal with this person? How to deal with that person so that I am not occupied? Every person is for my purification. This all is well informed. Yastu vigyanvan bhavati. Samanaska sadashuchi. Satat padam apnoti yasmad bhuyo na jay. He alone is the one. So one should be very, very knowledgeable person. If doctor is there, then you say he's a lot of knowledge is there. He's experienced doctor. 25 years of practice is there. Orthopedics is there. हाँ. ये नहीं कि नया डॉक्टर है. What is very new doctor will be always afraid. He is not experienced. So here, that means that knowledge, that doctor has a lot of knowledge. In any area, when you go, you have to have lot of knowledge and data in your mind to have a commanding situation. Whether you are CA, whether you are lawyer, whether you are doctor, lawyers are there. There are a lot of references. This there. Well, in 1974, in this case, this clause was used there. In this particular case, if you don't have knowledge, just you cannot become lawyer. Then you will struggle how to fight this case. The preparation of the case required. You have to go in the next sitting. You have to prepare in front of the other lawyer. Not that easy. Kyun bhai? Well prepared. If you don't have knowledge, don't have information, khade rahoge aise pagal ki tarah. You will be standing there like a foolish person. Other will win it. By wrong logic, he will win it because I was not informed. I didn't have counter questions and arguments. Tell me which area doesn't need? Every area needs, you have a lot of knowledge. So everything we should know. What is attachment? What is forgiveness? If you don't have attachment, what is the result? If you don't have forgiveness, what is the result? What is tolerance? What is intolerance? What is the meaning of laziness? What is the meaning of Atma? What is the meaning of Brahman? Why Brahman is mentioned? Where is it mentioned in the scriptures? Somebody just comes to me and says, this meditation is required in life, nothing else. ऐसे बोल देते हैं. Only we need meditation. Somebody will come and say, to me only they quote, in scriptures, Atma is not the nature of Sukha. Because he was Sankhya. I said Sukham Atyantikam Yat Tad Buddhi Graham Atindriya, and it is coming in 6th chapter. Tetri says Raso Vaisaha. Chandogya said Yo Vai Bhuma Tat Sukham. Ab bolo. If you are not informed, you will be targeted very easily. Well, in the scripture don't talk about Punarjanma. Kahan likha hai? Likha hai Yoni manne prapadyante sharirattvaya dehina. How can you say like that? You should be knowing everything very well. What is Karma Yoga? If you don't do Karma Yoga, what will happen? Which portion of your schedule does not have Karma Yoga in it? Okay, because our problems are intellectual, solution also is intellectual level. If you don't know, then you will all be going here and there. So the intellect should be well informed and well in charge and control of the mind. And the Jivatma should reach the moksha. And last point, all should be in mutual coordination. Coordinator should be there. Arjavam should be there. Idea is something, implementing is something. This topic went from 3rd to 9th verse. Sadhana, very important sadhana. I have given big detail. Intellect is weak. When you say intellect, wala kamjor aadmi hai. That means his intellect is not well informed. Either it is not trained to control. Mind is not under his control. He wants to do, but he can't do. I want to read, but I don't have time. I'm not able to do. Weak intellect. Controlling is not there. रोए तो रोते चले गए. Lost control. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You have to strengthen it. Okay. And Jeev should know the goal. From 10th to 15th words is the Gyan Yoga aspect. The spiritual journey has been mentioned. That is called Vichar Yatra. Vichar Yatra? Meaning of Vichar Yatra, Indriyabhya Parayartharthebhyascha Param Manah. So there was inward journey was there. Kosh journey. So from outer kosh to inner kosh. Sorry, inner Atma, innermost self. Sa kashta sa paragati. So that was Panchakosh Vivek was done. And how do you know that? Agryatu sukshmaya buddhya. This was done by subtle intellect and forward going intellect. 14th verse was Uttishta, Uttishthata, Jagrata. Get up, arise, awake. Don't say stop, not till the goal is yours. That is not in the Upanishad. That is Vivekananda from his side he has put. Only Upanishad says arise, awake and stop, not till the goal is reached. Half you are saying. Upanishad does not say other half. कुछ भी बोल देते हैं हम उपनिषद में ऐसा लिखा है नहीं ऐसा नहीं लिखा है you have to be accurate in Gita I was there in some shop in Indore it was written ahar shuddha satya shuddhi in bracket Gita मधुरम स्वीट है क्या नाम उसका so ahar shuddha satya shuddhi and that is a mantra from Chandogya Upanishad so one should have this knowledge and there is a popular 14th mantra Uttishta Jagrit told all the sadhana and 15th mantra Ashabdam Arupam Asparsham cha definition of Atma has been mentioned in Kathopanishad. This was the 10 to 15th mantra. Then 16th and 17th mantra. What is that? The 16th and 17th mantra Phal Shruti is there. Phal Shruti. That if you the one who chants this Kathopanishad, there are two possibilities. Either he will know the self. If he doesn't, then he will have Kram Mukti. He will have Kram Mukti. By Shravan itself, Punya is created. So there is a value of chanting also of this Kathopanishad. So this the 16 mantra, 17 mantra were there. So first two mantras, Jivyatra. Then 3rd to 9th mantra, chariot. Then 10 to 15 mantra about Atma. 16, 17 mantra about the Phal Shruti. So this completes. I already ticked which are important verses in that Upanishad. I hope you are very, very clear now. What I could do, I did. It is now up to you how much you retain it, how much you work. No teacher can teach unless students is able to receive it. Okay, my job is over regarding teaching is concerned. It is you have to revise it, you have to chant the verses, you have to make it your own, meditate upon that. That is your own homework. Problem with the spiritual life is all matter is very subjective. Nobody can take your attachment, nobody can take your ego, nobody can take your laziness, nobody can take your ignorance. ये घर नहीं मम्मी कपड़ा साफ कर देना प्लीज वॉश माई क्लोथ्स डैडी हाँ गेट मेडिसिन इफ यू आर गोइंग आउट nobody other than you can help yourself. You everything is in your because matter is very subjective and inner matter are there. So it is up to you how much you put effort, how much you work hard, how much you are serious, sincere, how much really you wish, and how much you have mukshatva, how much vairagya is there. All this will decide what is your future birth, if it is there or not there. Okay, so we pray to Gurudev and God to give us that sukshma buddhi which is asked for this.